Hello, my name is Joseph Hadermoda. With me is Ron Tribus, both shareholders here at Cash Schuler. Today we want to talk about what someone should do when they receive a cease and desist letter from their former employer. First, I guess we should find out what is a cease and desist letter. Ron, can you explain to everyone what a cease and desist letter is?
Sure, Joseph. A cease and desist letter is a demand made by the former employer to his former employee saying that you can't use certain information or solicit customers, depending upon what the restrictive covenant says, the agreement that the employee signed, whether or not it's a trade secret or relationship with a customer that they previously called upon. In order to prevent losing customers and clients, the former employer will make a demand and tell the employee that he can't do certain things.
Okay, so when someone receives a cease and desist letter, it could be kind of a scary situation. What would you recommend that they do in response to receiving the cease and desist
Well, they have
letter?
a few options. The first one would be, meet with an attorney, go over what the agreement says, and then there may be defenses that can be put in a letter in response. For instance, you never called on a customer in Pasco County, yet they're telling you you can't call on Joe's Widgets, which is located in Pasco County, and that would be outside the limitations of the restrictive covenant. So you do a letter in response saying, you can't prevent me from doing that.
Now, is there a more aggressive approach to take? Like, can you file a lawsuit against the former employee?
Sure, there are instances where you can do what's called a declaratory judgment action, where you file first when you think that the employer is going to file suit, and you ask the court to determine the rights of the parties based upon what the agreement says and the facts and circumstances of the case.
Great. There are a lot of different options you have if you receive a cease and desist letter. Please give us a call here at Cash Schuler if you have any questions, and we'll be happy to discuss them with you. Thanks.
The Cass Schuler Law Firm is located in Tampa, Florida.